Okay, so this is our whole template. The whole size of this is this size, and this is our text and logo save area. Okay, so all of our text, our images going to be able on the save area. So now we're gonna start from scratch. Okay, remember the whole size of it is this size. Make the resolution to 200. So now we're gonna create our desktop preview first. Gonna use a rectangle, insert the size, okay, and then I'm gonna make it align at the middle. Again, the template, I put it in my description. You guys can download it. If you guys downloaded it, you don't have to go through this step, because you can just put on the rulers and just start to do your graphic design. But for the point of this video, I'm gonna show you how. So this is the tablet view. I'm gonna make it center align, put on the rulers, and finally if our mobile view, which is text and the safe zone area. So now we have all of our rulers in. Now we can make our design. So I'm gonna fast forward this process. Okay, we finish up our design. I'm just gonna save this as JPEG. I'm gonna name it my folder items. CP stands for cover photos. And if you go to your YouTube channel, you go to your channel and customize channel. Then you go to branding. So this is where you're gonna upload your cover photo and logo. I'm just gonna upload my logo for a while. Make it center fit, and then my cover photo. As you can see here, the file should not more than 6 megabyte, and mine here is just 512 kilobyte. You gotta make sure of that, or else YouTube won't make you upload it. So I'm gonna upload mine. And there you go, center fit. As you can see, all the grid that we are doing in Photoshop, it's really helpful in terms of when we upload our cover photo. So just publish it, and there you go, done. And this is the preview on desktop, while this is the preview on the mobile. As you can see, the safe area zone are really crucial for your cover photo to be perfectly fit on all devices. So that's all for today. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see you again. Bye bye.